Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using HealthWarehouse. HealthWarehouse, a reliable online pharmacy experience. This review explores HealthWarehouse, an online pharmacy designed to provide a trustworthy, budget-friendly, and FDA-approved way to order medications online. Convenient links to their products are included in the description below for your convenience. HealthWarehouse distinguishes itself as one of the few verified internet pharmacy practice sites, VIPPS, signifying its commitment to the highest standards of safety and quality within the industry. A key strength of HealthWarehouse lies in its comprehensive selection of prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and other medical supplies. Navigating the site is effortless thanks to its user-friendly interface, simplifying the process of searching for, comparing, and ordering medications. HealthWarehouse offers competitive pricing, often significantly cheaper than traditional pharmacies, making it a great option for those without insurance or seeking more affordable alternatives. Free shipping is also available on orders exceeding a certain amount, further enhancing the value proposition. This platform proves particularly valuable for individuals managing chronic conditions. It provides convenient features like automatic prescription refills, helpful reminders, and transparent pricing. Furthermore, it caters to those who prioritize discretion when ordering sensitive medications. The registration process is straightforward, and the website offers clear instructions for uploading prescriptions or transferring them from other pharmacies. In my personal experience, HealthWarehouse's customer service has been exceptional. Their support team is readily available by phone or email to assist with prescription verification, billing inquiries, or any other questions you might have. My orders were processed efficiently, and I appreciated the detailed tracking updates provided throughout the shipping process. Importantly, all medications are sourced from licensed U.S. suppliers and undergo rigorous quality control checks before shipment, ensuring patient safety. In conclusion, HealthWarehouse stands out as an excellent option for anyone seeking affordability, convenience, and peace of mind when ordering medications online. It's an ideal choice for families, seniors, or anyone who values easy access to quality pharmaceuticals from the comfort of their home. Explore HealthWarehouse for yourself using the links in the description, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.